Okay, my name is Dallas Schwegel, and I did my research on capsaicin and its effect on weight loss. First, I'm going to talk to you about the background on capsaicin, its metabolic function, its metabolic significance in health, its professional views, and studies I've found that involve capsaicin and weight loss that I found interesting. Capsaicin used as a drug, side effects of capsaicin, and then we're going to wrap it up with a conclusion. All right, so background on capsaicin. It is the active component found in chili peppers, and it belongs to the plant genus Capsicum. Capsaicin is a compound of mixtures that are also known as capsaicinoids, which are produced as secondary metabolites. It is a waxy substance, and they're rated on a scale called the Scoville scale, which basically rates the amount of capsaicin concentration in peppers, which is what makes it hot. The hottest pepper in the world is the Naga Viper, followed by the Boot Jolokia chili, the habanero, and the Tabasco chili. Metabolism of capsaicin. Structure is the N4-hydroxyl 3-methoxybenzyl 8-methylnon trans-6-enamide. Capsaicin is readily transported through the gastrointestinal tract, and it's absorbed via non-active transport into the portal vein, and most of the absorbed capsaicin is excreted as metabolites through the urine within 48 hours. Metabolic significance in health of capsaicin. It's been shown to increase thermogenesis by enhancing catecholamine secretion from the adrenal medulla receptors and TRPV1. Studies suggest that specific capsaicin-sensitive neurons are involved in this process, which is why you get that warming up sensation or the burning sensation from eating peppers. It stimulates the sympathetic nervous system. By doing that, it increases lipid mobilization, which is really breaking down triglycerides, and it decreases adipose tissue mass. It also has been shown to increase energy expenditure, increase lipid oxidation, and increase insulin release from the pancreas. I found some studies that involve capsaicin and weight loss that are pretty interesting. I added 2 on here that I would like to share. One involved 12 men and 12 women ages 30, plus or minus 10 years. The duration of the study was 16 hours long, food intake assessed 4 times during 2 consecutive days. Within this study, what they did was they mixed 0.9 grams of capsaicin into tomato juice, and it was given 30 minutes before each meal. And how they got to the 0.9 grams was they took everyone in the beginning of the study and they kept adding 0.1 gram each time until the subjects of the study decided that 0.9 grams was right on the line of not too spicy, but not spicy enough. It was the perfect amount, so it was pretty high up there spiciness. Each meal, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner, was all buffet style that included low-fat and high-fat foods. Hunger and satiety were recorded 9 times a day, while energy intake, the weight of food intake, macronutrient composition, and energy density was assessed once a day. The results of these assessments concluded that the subjects had decreased appetite, decreased cumulative food intake, and also increased energy expenditure, or the amount of calories they burned each day. The next study I found that involved capsaicin included 45 obese subjects The duration was 8 weeks long with calorie-restricted diet, exercise training, and half were assigned to Metabo and half had a placebo. Metabo is a supplement that includes capsaicin, caffeine, raspberry ketone, garlic, and ginger. And they assess body composition, the serum adipocytokines, heart rate, and blood pressure. No changes were actually found in the heart rate or blood pressure, but as you can see down below, the results for body weight, fat mass, lean mass, the waist girth, and hip girth, and even energy levels were all significantly higher in the Metabo than the placebo effect. So there's a significance difference between there. And it also showed elevated serum leptin and decreased serum resistance in the subjects as well. Next was capsaicin used as a drug. I thought this was pretty interesting. It was given to people that were obese when they ran this study, and it's actually been shown to be supported very highly as an anti-obesity drug. When they did this study, they took it orally, and its activation of vanilloid 1 channels and peroxisome proliferator activated receptor alpha by capsaicin prevents adipogenesis, and which increases fat metabolism. It regulates the sympathetic nervous system activity of brown adipose tissue through stimulation of the gastrointestinal transient receptor channels. It also reduces metabolic dysregulation by enhancing activity of adiponectin and its receptors. Adiponectin is the protein responsible for regulating glucose levels as well as fatty acid breakdown in the body. Using capsaicin as a drug has also shown to decrease visceral abdominal fat. This study is supported by epidemiological data and clinical evidence, and it's also supported as a weight maintenance drug. So capsaicin has been shown to really have an impact on the weight loss community. And then side effects of capsaicin. The most common is the burning sensation you get when you eat chili peppers. And then it also can cause an upset stomach, stomach pain, irritation, diarrhea. And then it can irritate the mucus lining in the digestive tract, which can cause nausea or vomiting. And then it can affect heartburn and stomach ulcers, but only in individuals that had pre-existing problems, so it would only worsen these issues, but it never was shown to create a problem. And then my conclusion over capsaicin is the compound found in chili peppers. It is responsible for relieving the burning sensation on your tongue and skin. It is shown to produce many health benefits, especially in the area of weight loss. Increases almost all aspects of metabolism by increasing thermogenesis. It's clinically shown to increase fat loss in obese individuals, and capsaicin has also shown a significant role in the production of weight loss. And then those are my references.